Hey guys, one last thing I want to quick show you here. I alluded to it in the last video where you can put all your courses in one workbook. So there's only one file in Google Drive and you can get to the different sheets. And I might go back and do this just so it stays organized. I hadn't really thought about it before. So what you do is start with the blank template, and down here on the sheet, this sheet, you say duplicate. And what that does is make a total copy of that sheet. And then you just do that three more times, I guess. So you get your 5 courses. All right, then you can rename these sheets. So just double click on the name. So whatever, course 1. The only thing is you gotta make sure you know what sheets you're on. You might want to put a title up here. You can insert a row above, maybe another row above. Then you can put the name in up here if you wanted to do that. So I just selected here and I right clicked. I did insert one above, but then that's going to change your cells in your embed code, right? So now that's A3 to E8. So you'd have to go back to your embed code and change that. That's up to you. If you want to do it all in one sheet, one workbook, you can do that. Now, what changes though is when you generate your embed code, if you already made your things and did this, and some of you already tried it, probably not going to go back and change it. But when you do publish to web to generate your embed code, you're not going to link the entire document. You're going to select which sheet you want to share. So embed, not entire document. I only want course 1 right now. Then you hit publish, hit OK, and you got your code. And then what's kind of cool is I think from here now, you can just select, okay, so you're going to have to publish each different sheet. All right, publish, okay, you got your code. All right, so I don't know if that saves you really much trouble, but it is a nice thing to be able to do. Especially if you like, I put all my rosters and seating charts in I don't actually use Google Sheets for that. I use Microsoft Excel, which is sort of the same. It's just got a lot more functionality for data analysis, for tests and such. But I make each one of these, all my courses, and each one is a different seating chart or the rosters. Tons of great stuff to do with spreadsheets in school. So we can show some more of that some other time. But anyways, I just want to show you that.